Hi, welcome to the Center of Excellence in Electric Vehicle Technology, established at Christ University School of Engineering in partnership with Decibels Lab. As a part of the Center of Excellence, we have established a state-of-the-art lab facility which is spread over nearly 5,000 square feet. The lab here in the Center of Excellence includes the battery testing and characterization lab. With the help of this lab, we are able to generate a lot of data by testing a lot of cells and characterizing them at various different environmental conditions and also on charging and discharging conditions. As a part of this lab, we also have characterization equipment such as electro-impedance spectroscopy or electrochemical impedance spectroscopy, through which we are able to study the very internal characteristics of the cell as well and try to build the models on top of which the data that is coming from the EIS machines. With the lab will continue, the data that is being generated from the lab is being now utilized for the various research activities and also to develop the software that goes in the battery management system. As a part of the extension to a cell testing facility, the lab facility also accompanies the battery management system software development. With the help of the battery management system software development, the students can develop the software using MATLAB and Simulink and generate a C code and implement the C code in the hardware as well. And this extends the activity of development to also support certain engineering and consultancy as well. So with the help of testing and characterization of battery labs, we can enable any of the companies to come and test their cells and characterize their cells here. Also with the ability of our development in battery management system software development, even we can help and assist consultancy activities for the software development of battery management systems as well. Apart from these two sections of battery characterization and battery management system, we have a Powertrain lab. As a part of the Powertrain lab, we have an activity of motor test bench. So with the help of motor test bench, we can characterize the motors. This test bench has been set up with the help of 4-quadrant Dyno. The 4-quadrant Dyno can simulate all the road load conditions as well. So with the help of this, we can recreate any road load conditions within the lab facility that is available for us in Center of Excellence. Not to limit ourselves for the motor as a component, to study the overall characteristics in a vehicle level, so we have a two-wheeler road load simulation Dyno, which is also enabled with a 4-quadrant load. With the help of a two-wheeler chassis dynamometer, which is a 4-quadrant road load simulation Dyno, we can test the vehicles within the given environmental conditions, so that the facility enables us to conduct various different experiments, such as developing a battery pack and a battery management system, and then the drivetrain, and then finally at overall integration to a vehicle level as well. Apart from all of these labs, we also have an automotive software activities, such as developing a communication protocols lab. So with the help of this, we are working on the fundamental protocols such as CAN, LIN, in addition to that Automotive Ethernet as well, that enables an activity of learning for any participants to take an account for the new development activities in Automotive Ethernet adoption for protocols in automotive as well. Then, in addition to that, we also have a lab where we will be able to enable an automotive software development. This software development includes a software development for EVCU and also a subsystem such as PDU and various different components. Henceforth, the lab now at the next stage enables any industry to come in and participate here for various different activities. So overall, through the Center of Excellence, we will be enabling the learning and development activities, that is to conduct the training programs such as postgraduate diploma programs, the M.Tech programs, and apart from it, we also have short-term training programs for various industry participants. Until now, within last 7 months of a journey, we already executed the various training programs with the companies such as TVS and Tata Motors for the short-term programs, and also we have launched a postgraduate diploma in EV technology for the Tata Motor participants, about 35 people. And similar, we also extended training activities for a lot of students to take up learning initiatives. And at the second part, we will be enabling a lot of industry and consultancy activities through the Center of Excellence, so that the industries can come in here, utilize the lab facilities, utilize the talent that is available here to take forward for the development activities for the industry needs in place. And the third thing is about IP generation. So gradually as the lab enhances and a lot of research happens here, this intends to create a lot of IP activities as well as a part of the lab. So henceforth, the creation of this lab is made sure as an industry such as Decibels to partner with Christ University in creating a state-of-the-art facility to enable an ecosystem of EV. Henceforth, the partnering and organization, something like Decibels Lab, will help institutions to enable a cutting-edge research and also learning development activities to happen within the institutions and to bridge academia and industry altogether. Thank you very much.